Today I'll be telling you guys what is TikTok creativity program. So basically TikTok creativity program is this. So let's say you make videos on TikTok and you want to earn money from it. Well, from TikTok creative program, if you are able to join this program, TikTok is going to give you money if your video blows up. You're not going to get any money if your video is averaging 1,000 or 2,000 views. You need to get at least millions of views. And remember, the content has to be original, and the video you're making cannot be a copied video of any other creator. It has to be an original idea, original video you're making. And if you make those kind of content and get millions of views and TikTok sees it as a nice content, then they are going to put you in TikTok's creativity program. And from that program, you can start earning money. But only few people have been selected for this program, and this program only runs in US right now. So if you're outside US, unfortunately, you're not able to join it. But if you're inside US and you're getting millions of views and you're making original content, then you can just reach out to TikTok, or TikTok is going to reach out to you, and you will be able to join this program and start earning money by posting videos on TikTok. That is what TikTok creativity program is. Hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.